In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CHRYSALIS token in Once Human completely for free. Now, each and every single player gets one of these for free, or maybe more, but one of these is for sure once you're just starting out. And the way you can do this, not many people know about. So what you want to do, by default, you can of course buy those CHRYSALIS tokens inside the store, but of course it costs real money to get these, so that's how you can get them free. Press the B key on your keyboard to enter build mode, right click, and go inside Facilities and Function Facility. Then in here, place down a mail, okay? As you can see, I have it here in front of me. And then once you've done that, walk up to that mail, press F, and there you'll have a bunch of mails, okay? You'll have a bunch of emails, as you can see, and each and every single one of these, or most of them, will give you different crates and different rewards you can get, as well as a bunch of energy link and stuff like that. Now, what you want to do, okay, is just follow me, okay? You want to go to this one, which is called Welcome Gift by V. V is that bird, you know, inside game. You want to click over here when it says that it's from V, and as you can see, it says you get one CHRYSALIS token, and you simply want to press F to claim it, and you'll be able to get one CHRYSALIS token, which you can, by the way, use when you walk up to your mirror over here, and you want to, let's say, change your appearance inside the game. If I can access this mirror, there we go. Now, if you want to, let's say, customize your character, you will need a CHRYSALIS token to do so. Otherwise, you simply can't customize them, and you have to have the character you've been since beginning, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get a CHRYSALIS token for free inside Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.